Hello guys, today we have qmax. The problem is 09. We will show you in a later video how to fix this problem. And I removed all the MOSFETs because they are bad, and I will try to fix new MOSFETs and try to fix all the ohm resistor in this area. Please have a look. Even the heatsink got blackened from the burned MOSFET. We will go on in this video and try to fix this device. And after cleaning this heatsink, installing new MOSFETs, I'm going to try the inverter, which is hopefully gonna work, I hope, and we'll see. Between the collector and the emitter of this IGBT is actually dot short, dead short, this one, so put it aside, and this one is dead short as well, and the number is actually, as you can see, it's actually 60 and 65, the number that was in inverter, and I removed it and put 75, which is having more ampere, and as I mentioned to you, more ampere is better. And if you notice that the IGBTs on the left is 60 in 65, but those two IGBTs are 75 in 65. So I replaced those two because I have the same number but more ampere. More ampere is better. I replaced those two, and I will test for you those bad ones like this one. I will test it. So we eventually come to the last stage of testing this inverter. So hopefully it will work. Power on. It was previously producing 09. Now, as you can see, the output is beautiful 230, and the fix for this qmax 1600 watt have been completed. Thank you for watching and enjoying this video.